Hi students, let's study a typical problem on derivative in Pure Maths 1. This question is a past paper question. The curve C1 has equation y equal to this one. The curve C2 has equation y square is equal to this one. So basically there are two curves right here. So first curve is C1. Equation of this curve is y equal to x squared minus 4x plus 7. There is a second curve here. I write this curve C2, and equation of that curve is y square is equal to 4x plus k, and k is a constant. The tangent to C1, the tangent to this curve C1 at the point x equal to 3 and y, we can find y here. When I take x equal to 3, it will be 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 7. So basically it will be 9 minus 12 plus 7, which is 16 minus 12 equal to 4. So tangent to this curve C1 at point 34 is also tangent to this curve C2, but not at the point 34. At another point P, I call this point as PAB. We don't know the coordinates of point P. The question is to find the value of k. So we have to find value of this k and point P. So point P means we have to find the coordinates A and coordinate B. So that's the target. So let's start doing it. First of all, we will find equation of tangent to the curve C1. Let's change the color. So I write here equation of tangent to curve C1 at point 34. We need derivative. Gradient is derivative, which is equal to derivative of the first curve. That's 2x minus 4. Plug in x equal to 3 here. It will be 2 times 3 minus 4. That's equal to 2. So that's the gradient of the tangent. I call MT. So equation of the tangent will be y minus 4, because tangent to curve C1 is at this point 3, 4. Right, a 3, 4. So y minus y1 means y minus 4 is equal to gradient of the tangent into x minus 3. It implies y is equal to 2x minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Okay, I got equation of the tangent. So this equation of tangent is also equation of tangent to curve C2 also. Now, we try to find derivative of second curve at point AB, and that will give gradient of tangent to curve C2. So this is tangent to curve C1, also to curve C2. Now I will find, I'll find here gradient of tangent to this curve, second curve, by taking derivative 2y into dy dx is equal to 4. At point P, which is A, B, plug in x equal to A, y equal to B. I can see here 2 times B into derivative is equal to 4. So this derivative is basically gradient of the same tangent, which is 4 by 2b means 2 over b. We know that gradient is basically 2, and gradient is this one also. it's the same gradient of the same tangent to different curves, so this should be equal. So 2 is equal to 2 by b. By cross multiplication, I get b equal to 1. So in the point P, I got the y coordinate as 1. This is 1. So when I put in the y coordinate into the equation of the curve C2, I can get the x coordinate in terms of k. So let's plug in the values of x and y coordinate in second curve, which is y square means 1 square is equal to 4x, x is a, plus k. From here I can find x coordinate a in terms of k. So a is 1 minus k by 4. Now I got the P point like this. P is A, B. A is 1 minus k by 4. B is 1. I'll find equation of tangent to the second curve at P point. So equation of the tangent to the second curve at P point, and gradient of tangent is same, which is 2. So this is y minus y1, which is 1, gradient into x minus x1, which is 1 minus k by 4. Simplify, you'll get here y equal 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus k by 2. Simplifying, you'll get here y equal 2x plus 1 plus k by 2. Now this is equation of tangent to the curve C2, and this is equation of tangent to the curve C1, and that's the same tangent. So we can match up the constants here. If we match up the constants here, 1 plus k by 2 should be equal to -2. That will give us value of k. So 1 plus k is -4. That means k is equal to -5. So we got k equal to -5. So k is basically -5. Once we have k, we can find a also by this equation a here. So it will give us a equal to 1 minus k, k is -5 by 4, 6 by 4, 3 by 2. So a is 3 by 2. The question was find the value of k. We got k equal to -5, and the coordinates of p. Coordinates of p are done now. A is what is a? A is 3 by 2. So a is 3 by 2, b is 1. So point P is 3 by 2 or 1.5, 1. So this question is completely done. I hope you guys understand. Any problem you can discuss with me online.